Contactless debit cards use radio frequency identification or near-field communication technology to enable quick and secure transactions without physically swiping or inserting the card into a card reader. Here's how it works. Embedded chip. Contactless debit cards have a small chip embedded in them that emits radio waves when brought close to a contactless-enabled card reader. Tap and go. To make a payment, the cardholder simply needs to tap the card near the contactless symbol on the card reader at the checkout counter. Transaction authorization. The card reader communicates with the card's chip, which securely transmits the payment information, including the card number and the unique transaction code. Quick and convenient. Contactless payments are fast, typically taking only a few seconds to complete, making them ideal for small purchases at retail stores, restaurants, and public transportation. Security measures. Contactless debit cards use encryption and tokenization to protect cardholder data during transactions, reducing the risk of fraud or unauthorized access. Transaction limits. To prevent misuse, contactless transactions are often subject to transaction limits, requiring a PIN or signature for larger purchases.